gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Look at how stunning I am looking with this 4C hair. This is undetectable lace wig. If you want to see how I install this wig, the installation, the unboxing, everything about this hair, keep on watching.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little and we keep track.
Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. I am fine, gorgeous. You're welcome. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate. Thank you so much. In here, I review wigs from different companies, any types of wig, okay? And I try my best to install them in my own way, okay? So, gorgeous, you're welcome. So the wig I'll be revealing today is from Chinalacewig. Chinalacewig. This wig is mwah. You need to see this wig. You need to see this wig. Let me bring it out. It came in this box, as you can see. So this is the brand. They added hairband as a gift for you in case if you place your order, you're going to receive something like this. And there is a card in here. All right, guys. So this is the hair right here. Wow. I'm so excited, guys. Really excited. And there is a card inside where you open here, the hair length, product number, the order number, the hair color, and the hair density. The density of the hair is 150 or 180. I can't really see what they wrote here. Should be either 150 or 180. See, I don't know if you guys can see it. So those are the formation. There's elastic band, okay, kept inside. So you can attach this to the wig. You see this, you attach this to the wig. So I'm going to do that. This is 18 inches. Wow, it's so long. 18 inches. Guys, let me stand up. You can see the length, 18 inches. This is so long. You see, and it's natural. Ooh. There's no tangle from the hair, no shedding. So the wig is type 4C hairline undetectable HD lace front wig, and it's kinky straight with pre-plucked 4C natural hairline new 01. The hair is so gorgeous. The density is 150. I just saw the density on their website. This is it. You can see it here. It's 150 density, and see the same hair here. So this is their website, okay? You can see the hair here, see the hairline. So gorgeous. And look at this. You can see everything written on it, everything about the hair. So you can order, they have up to 30 inches. You see it, up to 30 inches on their website. So it all depends on the length you want. The one I have now is 18 inches. This is it, this is the hairline. See, it's so gorgeous. So we're going to install it to see if it's going to look like this one. So guys, let me remove this paper and the hair net from it. So they just use this to protect, to shaping the wig in place. And you can see the hairline. Wow. Guys, look at the hairline. It's the same thing with what we saw on the website. There is no difference. You see, there is no difference. See the hairline. This is so cool. Looks so natural. Natural hairline with all this hair. I really love this. Wow. I can't wait to install this wig. Inside of the wig, the lace came bleached. You see, the knot of the lace came bleached, and it came with some comb. So we're going to add that detachable adjustable strap from on it. And you see at the back there is a lace at the back. I think this is 13 by 4 lace wig. Adjustable strap. See, I just hook it to it because it came with hook here where you hook it to. It has a different level, you see, first, second, third. So it depends on the size of your head. You just put it on where you want. So let me wear it for us to see. And also it came with combs, okay, to secure it, and inbuilt adjustable strap. So with this, the wig will be able to secure very firmly on your head. So guys, this is it on. You can see the hairline. It's the same thing. You see, it looks so natural. This 4C hair. Wow, this is beautiful. Beautiful. I really love this. So beautiful. So I'm going to cut the lace from it so that we'll see. Oh, I really love this. It looks so beautiful. So let me cut the lace. To be in center because the center part, yeah. Wow, this really looks so natural. You see that? I did not even glue it down. See? Wow. Just follow the hairline very close to the hairline. What else do I need to do to this hair? I think I need nothing to do to this hair. Look at this. Wow. Let me open the part. You guys know I always like opening my parts. I want it really pronounced. Put little oil, just add little oil to it. So guys, this is it. Just straighten it. This is natural. Guys, that is it for this video. I'm going to leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. You see, the hairline is so natural, just like your natural hair. This is 4C, and the lace is undetectable lace wig. You can see it. The knot came bleached. This looks so beautiful, so lovely. I so much love this hair because it looks so natural on me. So if you buy it, it's going to look natural on you. Also, if you love 4C hair, you're going to like it. Remember, it's from Chinalacewig. Okay, I'll check if there's any discount code. It's going to be on the description box. Don't hesitate to check that out in case if you are interested. I will see you guys in my next one. Gorgeous, please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. Thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Ciao.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out.